I just want to know one thing. How did you guys do it for 16 years, man? It's tough, bloody tough.
18 for us.
It was a game that was in our hands and then Pollard and I do decide कि boss no आप ग्रीन जर्सी पहनो आप जो चाहिए कर लो लेकिन हम लोग मैच यहाँ से लेके जाएंगे.
Fireworks will be there, but not from Lucknow side, but from RCB boys.
As if the Chennai Super Kings were already not contributing enough to the environment with the dot balls that they have been playing, RCB chose to have a go green game, and I have to expose somebody over here. And that is Avnish. He right here is wearing a green jersey. But Avnish, I will ask you, how have you come, to the office? Which vehicle?
Cycle here today. Good initiative. 8 kilometers. My house is not too far away, so cycling is a good option.
Are you sure, or are you lying in front of the camera?
I'm not lying. So I'll be honest with you. Took public transport, then I cycled, then I hitchhiked. Can you ask better?
Hitchhike.
Yeah, public transport. Public cycle would be you lose. Public transport, to be fair, is good, right?
Is that what you do every day or just for today? Because that's the whole purpose of the Go Green initiative by RCB.
They're pulling out the initiative, so I am. So why can't I have the fun when they have the fun in the field? Points pocketed, Dia. Are you happy?
Of course I am, and I'm really happy for the Holy Trinity, as they say, Delhi Capitals, Punjab Kings, and RCB, the way they have been playing so far in the tournament. And hopefully we have a new winner. But Avnish, I have to really ask you this: with RCB's this initiative, this green initiative, there are the other teams also who have kind of copied this thing. Rajasthan Royals and many more franchises have done the same.
When did they do this?
So Gujarat Titans wear like a lavender jersey for cancer, and Rajasthan Royals wear this pink jersey to promote the rural women that stitch whatever. That's their initiative.
Yeah, I agree. I think generally when you look at teams, it's not a diplomatic answer. I think generally even if you look at LSG, they pulled out a special jersey for the Bagans speciality. So good initiatives. But this initiative that RCB penned down was 14 years ago. Everyone's playing catch up. We might have not won trophies, but trailblazers off the field. And we have a green game. You'll never sing that. You'll never sing that. You'll never sing that. We have a green game. You'll never sing that.
Okay, but now I have to, ask Vikas this. As I said in the start, CSK already is contributing enough to the environment. Do we needed RCB to play even a green game this time? Because is CSK not enough to contribute enough to the environment?
ना ठीक है तो मुझे समझा नहीं है
CSK is already contributing dot balls खेल के environment. तो क्या
इंग्लिश समझ में आई जवाब नहीं आ रहा है मेरे दिमाग में समझ रहे हो
Your question? Yeah.
I think we should be thankful to CSK that those guys are giving us so much content, so much views, so much entertainment. Everyone likes to see CSK losing. Everyone is happy. So am I.
everyone is happy. Coming to that, I do have some CSK supporters who I don't know. I really want to know their state of mind right now. Akash, I mean CSK this season, not CSKing at all.
It's okay. I mean, I just want to know one thing. How did you guys do it for 16 years, man? It's tough, bloody tough.
18 for us.
I can't say 18, no, because you're topping right now. So, yeah.
Roshan, you right here. What do you have to say about Chennai and their performance?
होता है एक सीज़न खराब गया तो ठीक है मतलब एज अ फैन हम लोग चाहते हैं कि चेन्नई जीते पता है कि आगे क्या होने वाला है ये सीज़न वॉस्ट हो चुका है ऑलरेडी हमारे लिए लेकिन होपफुली कुछ ना कुछ तो आगे जीतेंगे
Last year also we saw the second highest total being chased down in IPL history, and yet again under Shreyas Iyer's captaincy, SRH just pulling off SRH things. Pramod, are they back? Is SRH back basically?
I mean, again, tough to say. I mean, they did well yesterday, but not too sure if they are back. But yeah, yesterday was a good example of what they can actually do, and hopefully they can. We were talking about 300 being breached, and they barely touched 160, 170 in the previous few games. So it was nice to finally see them get some runs.
And now, coming to RCB's performance as well, since you have been an RCB supporter, and right at the start of the tournament, you were like, you're not expecting so much from them, and look the way they are playing right now.
Yeah, again, see, I mean, I'm happy to be proved wrong this time around, but again, the problem for them again is their home form, right? How many are they really going to win at home? And at some point, I feel the away wins also will stop at some point. And then where do you get those wins?
True.
So yeah, good start. Playoffs, hopefully, चला जाना चाहिए.
Avnish, when are they going to win at home? बहुत अच्छा travel करते हैं, but what about winning at their own home ground? It's like a haunted house or what? Chinnaswamy.
It's not. I generally look at the toss being a decisive factor. I say that even with the WPL, the last 4 WPL games we lost the toss. The first 2 games this season we lost the toss. That's 6 back-to-back tosses lost. at Chinnaswamy. I want to use a thumbnail text saying winner Swami, and that'll happen in the next 2 games of the year.
The reality is, RCB's record while wearing the green jersey has been terrible until now. And you tell me which is your favorite memory of RCB while wearing the green jersey.
It absolutely has to be the first one because everyone were kind of surprised by the initiative taken by the franchisee in 2011. I still remember that press conference done by Siddharth Malya where he unveiled the green jersey for the first time, and I was just questioning 11-year-old me, when are they going to wear, or it's just for the fan promotion basis or something. And the very next game they ended up wearing, I remember it was on May 8th 2011, 4 p.m. game, Kochi Tuskers Kerala. And it was a very that match altogether was appealing because RCB first time they are wearing green jersey, and also that 37-run Chris Gayle over against Prashant Parmeswaran. I guess Prashant Parmeswaran is remembered for that over where he got hammered for 37, and those things kind of set it up very nicely for RCB in green jersey. Unfortunate that they haven't been able to you capitalize on that and manage to win just 5 of the 14-15 times that they have won that so far. So let us hope that this year they have started the trend and it goes. And since last 2 years, if you see, they are wearing green jerseys in away games. Last year they wore in Eden Gardens. This year they wore it in Jaipur. They're taking it outside Bangalore now, promoting the green initiative. And certainly let us hope that they will end up having a good streak of wins with the green jersey in the coming years.
If you ask me, my personal favorite was the 223-run partnership between A.V. de Villiers and Virat Kohli. I mean, the teenager in me was just spellbound. And now, Akshay, I'll ask you the worst memories, because if RCB gave us one of the best memories, they also give us some of the worst nightmares, I feel. You need to recount that.
Worst memories, RCB green game, right?
Yes.
Oh man, there are quite a few, but I'll go back to 2012, the RCB MI game. It was a game that was in our hands, and then Pollard and Raidu decide कि boss, no, आप green jersey पहनो, आप जो चाहिए कर लो, लेकिन हम लोग match यहाँ से लेके जाएंगे. That was a heartbreak for me as a 14-year-old, just seeing that, because yeah, a lot of expectations and all of that, of course, like always. So yeah, that's definitely one of my worst memories of RCB in a green game.
What about 2 of the KKR matches? One, of course, the 1-run loss last year, and I think the 2017 game, that Sunil Narayan, when he just went berserk. I mean, those 2 also have to be there.
Yeah, they have to be there. The only difference is उसको तो मैं conveniently भूल गया हूँ पूरा, ऐसा हटा दिया memory से, तो वो है ही नहीं. So those don't exist. Memory में error 4, not found. बस खत्म.
So I think he has definitely cracked the code as to how we should maintain our mental health just by forgetting these kind of matches.
Especially as an RCB fan, for sure.
But okay, one last prediction for RCB. Where are they finishing off this season?
Top 4. That was my pre-season prediction. I'm sticking to it for now.
We already have talked much about RCB, but one thing that I really want to ask you is about Nicholas Pooran, Nicky P.
He scares me, man, for real. Whenever he comes on the pitch, the ball doesn't stay within the ground. It's outside the park all the time.
You are an RCB fan, RCB supporter. When LSG is going to play against RCB, are you expecting the same kind of fireworks?
Fireworks will be there, but not from Lucknow side, but from RCB boys. So yeah.
Okay, brilliant. The RCB camp seems to be really happy this time with the way RCB is truly turning up for the tournament. What do you guys think? Who's going to make it to the top 4 this season? Do let us know in the comments.